Very good morning, children. Today we are continuing with English workbook, chapter 2, playing with homework. I hope you all have read the chapter and understood how Chetan enjoyed doing homework. Now let's move on to the exercise. You can take page number 9. Open your textbook and take page number 9. Let's start doing it. We have first vocabulary. We have a crossword there. I'll read out the questions. First, complete the puzzle using these clues. Follow the pictures as well. Clues are given and pictures are also given. We need to fill the crossword. So let's move on to the questions. First question, teachers write on it. So teachers write on it. It's connected with classroom. What teachers write on it? Second question, teachers write with it. You need to write it right to the right. We have across the crossword. So find out number 2 and write the word there. Third, they come in different colors. So find out number 3 in the crossword and fill it. Fourth question, it is made of wood and cloth. Find out number 4 in the crossword and find out the answer and try to write it over there. Fifth one, it removes pencil marks from paper. Sixth, it is used to measure length and draw straight lines. Seventh one, it is used to keep your stationery. Eighth, you write on it. Ninth one, clothes you wear to school. I hope you got it. Now let's check the answer. The first question we have, teachers write on it. So in the crossword, go to number 1. Here you have B is written on there. So what do teachers write? Teachers write on blackboard. So write BLACKBOARD in the crossword near number 1 to the right side. Moving on to the second question. Teachers write with it. What do teachers write with on the blackboard? She uses chalk. So go to number 2. C is already given there. Write chalk and the spelling is CHALK. Number 3. They come in different colors. What you use for coloring? Yes, it's crayons. So number 3. Again the first letter C is given. So write crayons, CRAYONS. Fourth question, it is made of wood and cloth. The answer is duster. Sometimes the duster is made of wood and it's also made of cloth. So here the first letter D is given. Write DUSTER, duster. Fifth question, it removes pencil marks from paper. When you write with a pencil, if you have a mistake, what you do? You take an eraser, right? So what's the answer? It is eraser. Fifth one, E is given, write eraser, ERASER. Sixth one, it is used to measure lengths and draw straight lines. What you use to draw straight lines? Yes, it's a scale. But we also have another name for it, it's ruler. So here we have to write ruler. R is given there, right? RULER, ruler. Seventh question, it is used to keep your stationery. It is pencil box. P is given there, continue. PENCIL, pencil, BOX, box. Eighth one, you write in it. So where do you write? You write in your notebook. So that's the answer, notebook. N is given there, note. NOTE, book, BOOK. And the last one, clothes you wear to school. What do you wear to school? You have a uniform. That's the answer, uniform. UNIFORM. So hope you have filled the crossword. What is the name of the place where you sit and study in school? What's the name of the place where you sit and study in the school? Write the word formed by the colored boxes. In the crossword, you can see a colored box there. When you join it, you get a word. Find it out and write the word over there. Next, we'll move to the next page. Page number 10. Grammar. Rewrite the sentences by replacing the underlined nouns with pronouns. We have already learned what pronouns are. Pronouns are words that are used instead of nouns. The words I, we, he, she, they, it, you are some of the pronouns. So here what we have to do, here we have to replace nouns with pronoun. Suppose if it's a boy, we use he. If it's a girl, we can use she. For things, baby, animal, we use it. If there are more than one or two persons, we can say either we or they. Now let's do it. The first question. Mrs. Sharma walked to the market. The word Mrs. Sharma is underlined and that is the noun. Now find out whether Mrs. Sharma is male or female. Yes, it's female. So what we have to write? Instead of Mrs. Sharma, you can write she. She walked to the market. Now you have to rewrite the sentence in the space provided there. Instead of Mrs. Sharma, you have to write she. So you can write she walked to the market. Second one, Riya and Anya are going to a party. Here there are two nouns, Riya and Anya. How can we replace these words with a pronoun? As there are two persons, we can say they are going to a party. So you can rewrite the sentence, they are going to a party. Third one, the cake was delicious. The noun is the cake. So we have to replace the word cake. Cake is a thing. So which word can be replaced there? It was delicious. So instead of cake, write it was delicious. Fourth one, Siddharth drove a car. Siddharth is a man. So how can we write it? He drove a car. Instead of Siddharth, write he drove a car. Fifth one, Harsh and I played board games yesterday. Harsh and I played. So there are two nouns, Harsh and I. What can we use? We played board games yesterday. The film was very interesting. Here, the film is a noun and it's a thing. So how can we replace it? It was very interesting. Hope you finished doing that. Let's move on to the next one. Underline the nouns and circle the pronouns in these sentences. One has been done for you. What we have to do? We need to find out the noun and pronoun. We have to underline the noun and circle the pronoun. So one has been done for you, the first one. My dog runs very fast. It likes to play all the time. Here, dog is a noun and it's underlined. It is a pronoun and it's circled. Likewise, we need to continue the exercises. So second one, this is Riya. She is my new friend. Find out the noun there and also the pronoun. In this sentence, this is Riya. Which is the noun? Riya is the name of a person. So Riya is a noun. You can underline it. She is my new friend. She is a pronoun. Circle it. Third one, Geet and Divya play together. They also study together. Find out the noun and pronoun. Fourth one, Firoz and I are going to a party. We will go there in the evening. Find out the nouns and the pronouns in these sentences. Fifth one, did you see Jay? He is from Mumbai. And the sixth one, listen to me, Veena. You must be very quiet. So find the nouns and pronouns. Pause the video and do it. Once you have done, come back and we'll check the answer. So let's check the answer. We'll check the third one. Geet and Divya play together. They also study together. Here, Geet and Divya are names of a person and they are nouns. They also study together. The word they is a pronoun. So you can circle there. Fourth question, Firoz and I are going to a party. We will go there in the evening. So which word is a noun there? Firoz is the noun. I is a pronoun and we is also a pronoun. Circle these two words. Fifth one, did you see Jay? He is from Mumbai. Jay is the name of a person. Mumbai is the name of a place. So Jay and Mumbai are nouns. You, did you see Jay? You here is a pronoun. He is from Mumbai. He is a pronoun. You and he are pronouns there. Sixth one, listen to me, Veena. You must be very quiet. Veena is the name of a person and it's a noun. Underline that. Listen to me. You must be very quiet. Here, me and you are pronouns. Moving on to the next page, number 11. Fill in the blanks using correct pronouns from the brackets. The pictures are your clues. Pictures are given, you just need to fill the pronouns. In the first picture, dash. He or she is watering the plants. In the picture, you can see a girl. So what is appropriate? Is it he or she? Write it down. Second one, they or it are reading. In the picture, you can see two persons. So which word is suitable? Is it they or it? Find out and write it there. Third one, he or she is having dinner. In the third picture, you can see a boy having dinner. So which word should be written there? Fourth one, they or I are happy. You can see 3 or 4 children in the picture. So is it they or I? Fifth one, she or he is sitting. You can see a boy sitting in the picture. So which word should be replaced? Is it he or she? Write down and we'll check the answer. So now let's check the answer. In the first picture, you can see a girl watering. So we can say that is she, right? She there, she is watering the plants. Second picture, there are two persons. So you can't say it are reading, it is they are reading. So write they. Third one, a boy is having dinner. So how can we write it? He is having dinner. In the fourth picture, there are 4 children. So we can say they are happy. We can't say I are happy. We say they are happy. The word is they. And the fifth one, a boy is sitting. It is he is sitting. Let's move on to the next page. Page number 12, speaking. Role playing a conversation. Work in pairs and role play this conversation. We have already learned what is a conversation. Talk between 2 or more people is called a conversation. So here a girl is asking Raj about his vacation. So let's read out the conversation first. Work in pairs and role play this conversation. Let's give a name to this girl. Let's call her Tina. So Tina is asking Raj, "Hello Raj, I haven't seen you in a long time." Raj is replying, "We were on a holiday." So what did Tina ask? Tina asked, "It's been a long time since I saw you." And what did Raj say? He said that we were away on a holiday. He had been to some place on a holiday. Tina is asking, "Oh, where did you go?" Raj replied, "We went to Jaipur." So where did Raj go? He went to Jaipur. Tina is again asking, "Please tell me a bit about the place and your trip." Tina is so excited and asking Raj to tell something about the place and his trip. "We saw the Amber Fort, the Hawa Mahal and walked through the Pink City. It was great fun." So he's describing about Jaipur, what all he saw. He saw Amber Fort, Hawa Mahal and walked through the Pink City and he had a lot of fun there. That's lovely. Well, bye for now. We'll catch up later. So this is a conversation taking place between Tina and Raj. Now, similarly, you can do a role play like this and send us a video. You can either do it with your siblings or alone or with the help of your parents. Take a video and send it to our WhatsApp. Moving on to the next one, pronunciation. Words starting with SC, SK and SQ. First, let's see the words SC. Here, how to pronounce it? Scare, scream, scan. In the reader, when we learned these words, we learned sir, signs, scene, scenery. Again, here the words SC start with scare, scan, scream. So the word letter SC, it's having different sounds. Let's move on to the next. SK, skip, skirt, skin. Third, squid, squabble, squab. Next page, page number 13, spelling. One and many. We learned about singular and plural in the last class. If it's only one, it's singular, and if it's more than one, it's plural. And how to convert a singular word into a plural? If the word ends with O, E, CH, SH, S, X, we have to add ES to the words, or else just add S to the word. Let's see the first word. We have desk. Check the last letter of the word. We have desk. So write which is appropriate. Is it S or ES? Second one, class. Class ends with SS. So what should be added to make it plural? Third, wish. Wish, the last letter SH. So make it into plural. Fourth one, apple. Convert it into plural. Fifth one, tax, and the sixth one, peach. Hope you have done it. Now let's check the answers. First word is desk. The letter K ends there. So just need to add S to the word to make it plural. We have desks. Second one, class, becomes classes. Add ES to the word. 3, wish. It's SH. We need to add ES to the word. It becomes wishes. Fourth one, apple. The letter E. So just add S. It becomes apples. Fifth one, tax. The letter X comes at the end of the word tax. So we have to add ES. Taxes. Peach. Here again CH comes. We need to add ES to the word. It becomes peaches. Next, complete the table. One has been done for you. Here also it's singular and plural. One and many. The first one, banana. If it's one, it's banana, and if there are many, it is bananas. Second one, apple. So how should we write? If there are many apples, it becomes apples. Similarly, you can complete the table. We have fruits, spoon, bowls, snack, cat, and flowers. So complete the table. Let's move on to the next one, writing, making sentences. Write 5 things that you enjoy doing at school. You love coming to school, right? Now what all things you enjoy coming to school? Like, I love to play with my friends, I love to color, it's fun to talk with my friends. You can write 5 sentences in the space provided there. So with this, we end this chapter. Hope you all completed the exercises. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, thank you.